There are several classes here at Seven Lakes that require students to be technical and artistic at the same time. Let's take a look at some of the work created by these students.
So for digital art, we had to make a robot. And what I was kind of shooting for was like this kind of bulky thing that could just mess anybody else up. Instead of using legs, I used like tank tracks.
So I was shooting for something somewhat human, in a sense. It's human shaped. Something you might see eventually.
So here I was shooting for Mettaton from Undertale. So I tried to get it as close as I could to the actual character in-game with what pixelated reference I had.
My favorite piece I was working on this year was a fan piece of Saitama from One Punch Man. To get things just right, I was looking at some references from anime and various manga pages that they had.
So I'm making a digital portrait of Aurora Aksnes. She's a Norwegian singer, and this is my first digital portrait. I didn't trace it. The most difficult part was the fur-lined hood.
For this piece, I did a recreation of a still image of Skull Kid from Majora's Mask, which is a video game called Legend of Zelda.
So what we have here is the M12 Light Reconnaissance Vehicle, more commonly called the Warthog, from the hit video game series Halo. I created this in a 3D modeling program known as Maya. After high school, I am going to college at UT Dallas to major in animation and delve into the field even more.
One of the early projects that we did in video production class involved us making a silent film, and what we did is we shot a video in full high-definition color, and then we edited it into black and white, and we added a bunch of scratches to make it look old, and we sped it up, so the video actually looked like it was made in the 1930s.
One of the second semester projects we had was a 30-second commercial. I chose to do a Nike commercial, and I used my drone to get some really cool shots.
So one of our projects was to use Adobe After Effects to create a handheld hologram by using tints and different lights. So we had to make it smaller, transparent. We chose a color to give it a hologram look.